My name is Sara Montinaro. I'm working as a project manager for Kurdish Red Crescent, Heva Sora Kurd. We are here because we are facing emergency related to drinking water distribution. Since the last Turkish attack, the Halok pumping station was occupied. Since that time, in 10 months, 6 times the Halok station was cut off completely. So now we are here because we are facing the same problem again. Usually, Halok pumping station is served more than 700,000 persons, Asahe and the whole area close to Asahe. So you can understand how much the big is price. And cut the water to civil population is a crime against humanity and is a violation of international humanitarian law. Right now, as KRC, thanks to Medical Switzerland International, we are trying to help and to respond to this emergency. So, in coordination with the water department and with the other NGOs who are working in the field, we are trying to respond to this emergency. We start our distribution, and until now, we were able to cover more or less 2,000 families. Our project is still not finished, but we need the help of everyone because, as I told, more than 700 people have this problem. And right now there are more than 45 degrees and are 2 weeks that the people cannot have water. So you can imagine how the situation is desperate. Moreover, close to our area, the number of coronavirus is increased. So you can understand how it can be dangerous for the civil population don't have water in this circumstance. This is what we are facing right now, and this is our situation.